Hey guys, it's Maya. I'm going to be opening 4 LL Surprise dolls that I got. So they are not real because I got them from a site. It's called AliExpress. And stuff on there is kind of fake. And the dolls are usually $10 and I got them for about $5 on there.
Somewhere along the lines, we stopped seeing eye to eye. You were staying out all night, and I had enough. No, I don't wanna know where you've been or where you're going, but I know I won't be home, and you'll be on your own. Who's gonna walk you through the dark side of the morning? Who's gonna rock you when the sun won't let you sleep? Who's waking up to drive you home when you're drunk and alone? Who's gonna walk you through the dark side of the morning?
Until you get the first piece. It is a dress and a candy, so it doesn't give the car information what it is, so guess we'll just have to see what the doll is. Again, it's these stickers. Here you will get the bottle. So I got this little blue bottle with some little gray cap. There's that. Got some shoes, I guess, into the other shoe. So we have a teal ball, and we're gonna see what the clothes look like. It's got a cute little, like, kind of, almost greasy, romper. It's like kind of sticky-ish.
Are the normal clothes like that?
No, because I have some over here that are not like that. The accessories were not wrapped, and everything is usually normally wrapped. Everything is except for the accessory. So here is the doll. Its lipstick is a little messed up. Now for the next doll. So it's this little purple dress. It feels the same as the other one. It's like a little mermaid one, a copy of the and again, it doesn't have the accessory wrapped. It's the same as the last one. This doll, it has like a bright pink hair. So I'm gonna unbox the rest of these, so I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. So I'm going to be comparing my 2 fake ones to a real one. So they look really different because the fake ones' outfits are like just one color and their shoes are almost all the same, and then on the real ones they're all detailed. It's still the same color and they all have the same little hair things, and all their hair is different though. and they don't have the cry holes in their eyes or the tinkle holes. So I'm guessing they only spit. So the lipstick is like messed up on them, except for this one. This is probably the best one with the lipstick. And their balls are all the same like pattern, so that's the one thing that's the same about them. And when you put the balls together, there's like the holes instead of the squares, like the normal ones. So that's the LOL Surprise Dolls that I unboxed. So if you don't mind the difference between them, I would recommend them. And if you want all the detail with them, like the exact ones, I would recommend the correct ones. And again, the fake ones are from AliExpress. Thanks guys. Please comment, subscribe, and like. Bye.